Hey, it's Gina from WTI. You know what makes me happy to cook? Having beautiful utensils, and especially ones that are not going to damage or scratch up the pans, air fryer, or anything else that I'm using them on. I got this 17 set of silicone cooking utensils from MIBOTE. They are just gorgeous. This color is perfect for my kitchen. And the wooden handles have such a nice variety of colors to them that make them really look unique, and I love having them in the kitchen. I love that there's some smaller scraping tools that I can use when I'm making my sourdough. I use the tongs for absolutely everything, and there's just such a nice variety that you can use for anything that you're cooking. We have a small amount of counter space, so although this does come with a holder, I opted to put the utensils into a drawer. But if you have enough space, they really look quite beautiful on the countertop inside the holder. These MIBOTE utensils come in such a beautiful variety of colors. You're sure to find one that's going to match your kitchen. I just love using them, and that's my point of view.